Hey there, folks. Have you ever had that sinking feeling when you realize your Mastercard is missing? Don't panic. I'm here to walk you through the simple steps to get it replaced quickly and securely. Whether it's lost in the couch cushions or gone for good, handling this right can save you from headaches and potential fraud. Let's dive in. First things first, act fast. As soon as you notice your card is missing, contact your bank or Mastercard issuer immediately. Most banks have a 24/7 customer service line, so look up the number on their official website to avoid any scams. When you call, report the card as lost or stolen. This is crucial because it freezes your account and prevents unauthorized transactions. They'll guide you through verifying your identity, so have your account details handy. Next, request a replacement card. Your issuer will typically send a new one within 5 to 10 business days, depending on your location and their policies. While you're on the line, ask about any fees for the replacement. Some banks waive them, especially if it's your first time. Now, keep an eye on your account for any suspicious activity. Review your recent transactions online and set up fraud alerts if you haven't already. If you spot anything off, report it right away to dispute charges. Don't forget to update any automatic payments linked to your old card, like subscriptions or bills. Log into your accounts and switch over the payment methods to avoid disruptions. Once your new card arrives, activate it as per the instructions, usually via a phone call, app, or website. And hey, while you're at it, consider adding extra security like a virtual card number for online shopping. Replacing a lost Mastercard doesn't have to be a nightmare. By following these steps, you'll be back to swiping in no time. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical tips on managing your finances. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.